What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this 14-inch lace frontal. This is the transparent lace wig, so as you can tell it blends so nicely with my natural hairline here. We looking real cute. And this length, you guys, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like 14 inches on me, but I feel like I look super grown and sexy, super mature, like the 30-year-old I'm about to be, and I love it. So the transparent lace, you guys, this is a higher level than just the regular lace, but it's a lower price point than an HD film lace. So if you're looking for that more natural, easier to blend lace that's Swiss and thin, this is the one you're going to want to go for. I will put all of the information about this wig down in the bottom bar below so you guys can go check that out. I do have a $5 off link code as well, so I'll put that in the bottom bar. If you guys are interested in checking out this hair, you can follow that link and get $5 off of your purchase. So yeah, she is gorgeous, you guys. Like, I am actually quite obsessed. What do you think? Should this be my new length from now on? Do we like this more than the long hair on me? What do you think? She's the naturally wavy texture, and I just used a 1-inch barrel curling wand to get these waves. There's a lot of parting space too, right through the front. You can part it. And it is a frontal, so it goes to about here, maybe to there. But she looks awesome. I'm so pleased with the way this one turned out. See how light the lace is? You literally can't even see it. Like, this is outside in natural lighting. Let's take her out over into the sun so you can see. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, so here I'm just showing you the wig after she's been air dried and after I bleached the knots. You can see how transparent the lace is against my skin. It really does just disappear. And now I'm just trying the wig on, making sure that she's sitting right, making sure she fits so I can see where I want to start plucking, what areas I need to pluck. And as you can see by my eyebrows, the hairline's a little too close. So I'm gonna have to go in and make that fit my natural hairline. And I'm sure you've seen me do this before. This is just how I do my bald cap method. I like to cut holes in the side of my wig cap and tuck my ears just so I get a tighter look right by my ears there. Those ear tabs are really hard to hold down, so I always like to cut the holes. It gets it closer so that the fabric is tighter around my ears, if that makes sense. And then we're just gonna blow dry it on cool for as long as it takes. Just be patient. And here I'm just starting my plucking. When I tried on my wig, I was able to see what areas I felt like I needed to pluck more than others. And here, this part, I am very lazy with the plucking, you guys. So I kind of just, since I know the shape of my head, I usually do this. I will put the front areas between like the arches of my eyebrows in the center of my hairline at the top, and I'll just twist it and pull it for those little sections. Since my hairline usually sits farther back than the natural hairline on a lace wig, this is just how I do it. You do not have to do it this way, and if you do, please be careful. Take your time. Don't come for me if it ends up looking crazy at the end. Like, I'm just used to it, so I know what I'm doing. So now I am putting the wig back on, and I am making sure that I've plucked all the areas that need to be plucked. As you can see right there, I need to make that part sit a little farther back, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck some more there, just doing that method I was doing before with the just twisting and pulling. Being very delicate so I don't rip my lace. You want to make sure that you're paying attention when you're doing this, making sure that the areas by your ears are fitting right so that the wig is sitting just perfectly on your head. And here again, I'm going in with my tweezers, plucking in the areas of my hairline that are more lacking in hair. So just making those parts match. One more time, checking everything before we're going to go ahead and get in with the glue. Making sure she sits right where my sideburns are. And now I'm taking just a white eyeliner pencil and marking the areas where I'm going to be putting the glue. This part's not really necessary, but sometimes I like to do it if I'm a little nervous that I'm gonna mess it up. I want to make sure I get that hairline part just right. And I'm using the Bold Hold glue for this. I did, I think, 2 layers of it. And then you just want to make sure that it's nice and clear before you place down your wig. Now I'm going in with my rat tail comb, just pressing everything down, making sure that everything is sitting nice and flat before I tie it down. Using a little mousse to keep those flyaways down also. And then just cutting off a little bit of the lace so that while my hair is tied down, I can see. Going in with my blow dryer on cool one more time and just making sure everything is sitting nicely, feeling secure, and then I'm going to tie her down. Probably for about 20 minutes, making sure that the glue is nice and dry and the wig is secure. And now you can start to very carefully cut your lace. This turned out so amazing, you guys. I was like, what? Definitely a lace I will be using again in the future. And that's it, you guys. She is on and she is looking good. Well, that's that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, this tutorial on how I installed this wig, how I got her together. Again, this is the transparent lace. She is available right now at the Azul Collection hair website, so go check that out. Show them some love, follow them on Instagram. Make sure you follow and subscribe to me so you can see when I have new videos coming up. Check me out on Snapchat and Instagram. I'm a hoot on those things, you guys. I do not look like this all the time. I usually look like a gremlin. So if you want to see me acting crazy and being silly, go follow me there, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.